We both just got a haircut, as you can see. We're all pretty,
spick and span,
and beautiful. Geez, my hair looks really white, but it's not that bad. I'm not that white. Anyway, Pete's very handsome. Hold on, Bear wanted to say something. What did you want to say, Bear? Oh, by the way, we're in Darwin now. We just got here last night. First thing we did, as you can see, is get a haircut. So we look pretty for your beautiful eyes to see. And now we're gonna go to the dog park. Eddie doesn't know where he's going, but he's super excited to go there anyway. This looks like a nice dog beach. Wow, this is very pretty. We're at Casuarina Beach. The dog end section anyway. Bear's already gone off smelling things. It's still really filthy and it kind of blends in with the sand, the dirty sand. Doesn't it feel nice to be back at the beach?
Yep, sand under my toes.
Yeah, it's the first bit of water, I guess, that we've seen since we left Cairns, I think.
Yeah.
Or around there. So it's been, what, a couple of weeks roughly. We missed the water. So good to be back. For those of you who don't like waves, then this is your beach because it's pretty flat and also very shallow. Oh, it's kind of, actually, it's cold, but it's not too freezing. But it's still kind of cold.
No thanks.
Yeah, I wouldn't go further than ankle deep. The water is beautiful and clear though. Such a beautiful morning. Is super filthy, so it's really time for him to be washed. We haven't washed him since we left, and after all that anti-dust, we really need it. Ooh, yucky yucky. It feels so good to get a wash. Even though it's from the inside, I feel like I'm getting scrubbed myself. After car wash, it's dog wash. Time for Elliot's dog wash. First time we've done this. Good boy. You alright in there? Oh, you're not too scared? It's your first time you're wagging your tail. You don't know why. Good boy. Oh, this is much easier already.
I guess you like this blow dry? It's a wet dog, huh?
Poor Bear. He's traumatized, and so are we. The blow dryer sucked, so we're just finishing it manually.
Come on, that do it, little bear. No, I hate you guys.
We're now at Lee Point, at the tip of Darwin. Wow, this is an amazing spot. It's huge. I think you can pick up on the distance, but there's so much beach around me.